So hey guys, what's happening? So this is going to be a real quick video. We're going to talk about Lightroom Mobile, the latest updates. So let's get straight down to the video now.
Right guys, as I say, as I'm going to deal with this is the Lightroom updates here. First off, now we can create different variations of an image and easily compare them. Number 2, improve function on the watermark. Number 3, receive notification for likes and comments. So if you're a photographer, amateur photographer like myself, basically you're getting all the social media connection on the new Lightroom. Premium side now, that's if you have been paying for this, you have local hue adjustments. Either make it subtle or dramatic using the local and adjustment tool. Lastly, share edits to discover section to show or educate or even inspire new creators. Down to myself, I've been inspired by this new update. It's real cool. As well as, although recently I now finally got Lightroom. Thanks to all my subscribers. And I'll bring him up here on the screen now. Also new support for latest cameras and lenses. So you probably have a new camera, probably a new Sony, Canon, or even Fujifilm. Love more Fuji. And that's all guys.
So guys, thanks again for watching. Do hit that like gently. Subscribe. If it's a new subscriber, subscribe to this channel. Most of all, stay happy, create, and have a good one. See ya in the next video.